a legal framework. Nobody is right.
We go Emrano.
Man edawa. The interpretations, the lawyers for no friend say canon of interpretations, the different interpretation of the same Emrano. Konyama at any point in time, obitimi be with a solid debate on making a case na eto asumua. Which you may be tempted to give Adieno to Obi. So, for instance, Morocco goes and say, "Oh, appeals committee, this committee ruling no more, but no more simply because Article 82 say, and no maybe to forfeited game no, Bako and say Oba walking off the game, and Senegal clearly did that. Into whether Omoba boy or Mama Bo, and Rani say, oh yes, Adiana. You'll declare losers and to declare them losers for us. Then appeal committee say, "Oh, asam na mo kan nyansa wom enti menemo ya adwen jury William Aomo." Before that, the discipline committee say, "Oh, e wo mu say Senegal for e work off there. But within the laws of the game, if a 5-1-2 5-1 and a 5-1-2, I say within the framework of the laws in Ankasa, the authority of the referee and in the exercising of their discretion. And yes, walk off never hassle. But in the discretion of the referee, no Ojidi say within the situation and no obetimi amamre ama akasa etimini teams na akasa ama abotoye mu aba eti abotoye mu ni ba ye no mijiri say for the integrity of the game and say final kese bi say yen determine by say obi a work off nti age trophy na ma obi no. In any case, game no so no. Rich today till today, nobody has given us evidence. Say Morocco at game no so under protest. They went to the match commission and say, "Born the ebetwaso."
By a protest.
By a protest say, "I'm confirmed Oma walking off the game, and we should be declared winners." That protest we are registering it. Until you to game so who say you to game so nyina no ye pon game ni pen or ye the protest tum. It's like they are close to Dreams FC any RTU last season when Omubeta group pictures now Dreams for say any RTU players ni no Rich, what happened?
A protest.
Yes,
but the protest players
so you play the game under protest. So we play.
But me can say I know the omo ball fan and we no. I agree. One of the interview kind said before omo ball game ni bi no. Omo lodge omo protest no. At the man commissioner said look game ni ye bo. But at the answer the guy for na ye no. Mun declare winners.
You see, that protest must be a written protest.
Okay.
And yet the protest of verbal.
Okay.
And so share though. CAF enyam for the full ruling no really, but it was never mentioned even in the statements in a CAF the buy and say because Sanka Ewomua, then I'll be surprised it is missing from the summary of the ruling now CAF published here.
Okay.
Because I am very strong determinant. So CAF mobiati says oh Morocco bono mo boy no. Omo and that is Obia argument against the ruling. Say game ayaba. Yes, koso there but ya tutu nsama twaso there. Say if CAF is able to tell the whole world, say masa. In some na mo kani nyina no. Morocco played the game under protest. They continued under protest. And Rich, if Morocco indeed did that, then I'll be surprised that this committee yes. It means
verbal.
The fact that the discipline committee never mentioned in their ruling say Morocco played the game and it means it is not there. And if that is not there,
week 26 of the Ghana Premier League, and the 2 matches na yebo as and the room kosiada ya to so. Na and 2 matches Pando Heart of Lions Bashu for any team. Amo trenfi no mo atwen Didi Dramanis House of Folk na 11 Wonders. And so atrenfi atwen Samates. Kotokoni nations ni die. Enyame adoma ekosiada. Na head of Nyame adoma ne Heart of Lions and House of Folk game no. and coach Bashir Hayford on some kakra adiatuja I say meeting has a folk no idea.
Undoubtedly, it's a very big game. Playing as a focus is a big game because it's one of the big clubs in Ghana, and they have a very wild followers. So coming to Pando to play us, I think we also have to make sure we prepare very well as we have been doing. We have prepared very well. We have put everything behind us, and we are concentrating on this big game. It's a very big game. We are match focus. It's a big game because it's one of the big clubs in Ghana, and they have a very wild followers. So coming to Pando to play us, I think we also have to make sure we prepare very well as we have been doing. We have prepared very well. We have put everything behind us, and we are concentrating on this big game. And so we are match ready for the big game come Friday.
Okay. I say Obo has a vocal, of course. There will be animal has a dear Oba Ghana. I mean, so big. And tis Obo has a new game kitwakra. Na one ayan mountain or one bobom because only the house and na Eba town. The answer to two airlines on in now, no dia to metia. Omo I ready. They train has work Yami Adma and there. So between no more bona, 3 points, and so at the free a house in some and then a house of a coach, Didi Dramani, and also head of the game, no, Intino.
One of the toughest opponents in the league. They are very compact and they are very aggressive. They are a ball playing side, and so we need to really be strong in our second actions. We need to be very, very decisive in terms of closing up central spaces, and we need to be very, very intense in terms of our pressing situations, and then we need to be very quick in getting out into spaces that.
Now you know Kakrabat. So Teddy Dramania, I say Omo Kobo aside, Omo very, very compact. So we be a more shop and add them pa. And we are very aggressive. Lance for no buenia day, and you know more by adding so between me Ashomona. Also catch an mountain and say, Adia Bako, and I'm you be able to a more master heart of Lawrence. A move Bako, and it's a house of players very quick with the ball. Now, Omunya chances and so on. Ometimi attacking very well. Senebeya. Ometimi Ashe Ayala because Okoba against a team Omoya aggressive and then air compact. The chances never now saying Ebia that went to me and so Anjom. Didi Dramani head of the game no. Ninsam and Kofi Yancham and Kakra. Na Inja de Akanoma a chief on Sumrem. And I show my game.
Which summer text ni
11 wonders.
11 wonders yeah. I'm very confident in Summer share. In about 6 games, 11 wonders in share match. Form and they've been condemned some co-allegation. And Oshe Summer Texas, it hasn't been the best season for them, especially after some winning league, Now coaching Rudy free or corner. I'm results in share and by almost 7th position of Ghana Premier League. One of the things that they would like to do at least from now to the end of the season, and they say they'll stay close to the top just in case something opens up for them. Maybe they're mathematically. But this is a game where I think the Summer Text special. Across the Fuka known to be good travelers away from home. Omo Pando. The difficult thing is that Pando is a place where Omo knows in your walkover, sir. You don't just come there and think that you beat Pando out of Lions under Bashir. And Bashir just mentions that at the back of the boys of folk, Omo fans near well traveled. Either say Accra, Pando, wherever. The Accra folk fans will be there in their numbers. It's a very difficult to play. Which who's a Didi Dramani in the away games no exchange a few things. Who's the first thing I complain? He said on time started Mauli Wayo, who is the highest goal scorer. But in the last few away games, the Hearts are Bono Mauli Wayo starting. I don't know if the plan as I thought is what it is there, but so or call away or person who can share the early goal. Then you the home team will begin to chase the game. Utiminya second one, it's good for him. So a year later, then he knows that he comes away with a point. I think that's how the game plan is going to be for Hearts of Oak. My boys then snap that they've already gotten to Pando already, settled in an open shake up kaka. And it looks as if that is going to be the plan going into the game. be very, very open, get the first goal away at Pando, and let Bashir for then the boys to come and chase the game. Any easy, sir. But I think say Hearts of Oak will get an away win. So as to me now away winner, it blows up the Ghana Premier League open to who is going to win it together with Omon and Mediama and any goal stars now. It makes it even more interesting because also Hearts of Oak at the 4 to 41 points. Omunya Sa win and they go to 44 points. Just 2 points off Team Friend and Mediama and 1 point off Gold Stars. It opens it up. And again, in the context of Accra Hearts of Oak, when you look at games almost away from home, they tend to be very, very good. And this one against Tima, your friend Accra Hearts of Lions, definitely no good.
But Lions,
my phone has not been good in the last
from bare 2 seasons, they Benny. Uka one of the teams are back close and winning the Ghana Premier League and even this season, cry start here no. No top 4 all of a sudden.
Yeah.
It's a Lions that tanked with 33 points.
Yeah. And it's bad form. Sometimes those things happen to teams. If you pick at the wrong time, I think Ghana, which are they about to be in that time? I measure, the times Ghana Premier League teams say pick, illegal. Somehow, until you pick at the wrong time, you're in trouble. Mm-hmm. Like BBN Gold Stars, they tend to have picked at the right time. Ghana Premier League, you have to pick in the second round or the end of the first round, not the big round, second round name. Then you have a good chance. Who picking them too much? I need to maintain it because of a lot of factors. You might be affecting your league, So if you pick too early, you're in trouble. But if you pick at the right time, close to the end of it,
and it's true because also a bit to say Lions are pre-season games from doing now.
Very good. Yeah.
And you started season now, and I'm sure it's a move picky. I'm winning your matches and it's over here. That time tough for not Lions room. And I feel it seems as a team not the performance a form qua and all of us say okay teams will be to Ghana Premier League now Lions. And come Ayala, now
me problem and your man did do a man say obey here to win this game, and whether Omo or also money. I see they have to be quick. Mm-hmm. So quick transitions. Has don't build up in quick transitions. Me slow. The typical Ghana Premier League tempo. Be possible on kakra and sana. So say quite away crowd so there. You have that problem because how good is the pitch? Now when you're born at 10 fast up pass. And see, bumpy, it takes time to control it. And pass and what pedality and when running play and what pass man. And see, Sani money are very, very critical. Then apart from say or see they have to be quick. Also we are clinical. Has and you're clinical. They don't have the place we are clinical. For me, I think say has a only chance the form of Lions, and yet